Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. This video is gonna be tons of fun because it's a part of our video hop to celebrate a really fun new product for Trinity. So Sara, who is also on the design team with me, she has created over at her YouTube channel for a couple of years now emergency card kits. So it's a really clever idea where you create your card and you can swap out or decide which sentiment you want to use depending on who the recipient will be when you need to send the card out. So she has been creating those for tons of years, and the only thing she's asking is that you are subscribed to her channel and you can get all of the sort of sentiments and stuff like that. But now Trinity, in collaboration with her, had also come out with the sort of emergency card essential die set. So it's 1 and 2, and I think I will be using both of them for my project today. I started off by using a different stamp set. This is also from Trinity, from their latest release. So this set is called Snow Gnome Man, I think, and it's just adorable. And I colored in, you can see I had a big blob there of green, and I will fix it here in a second, but sometimes that happens when you are coloring with alcohol markers. It's no big deal, you can always fix it later on. So just keep going and maybe don't color a color next to it right away before it has had time to dry. So I love these little snowmans, and what I love the most is that most of the parts on the snowman is gonna be white, so I can just use a pale gray marker to create the shadow on top of the white. So I can play around with beautiful, bright and shiny colors on all of the other elements and go a little bit muted on the snowman itself. So that is something I really enjoy. So you can see how cute they all turned out. And you can see I have my white gel pen here, and now I'm going in just to fix that big mistake that we did. And you can see how good job this white gel pen does. You can see you can nearly barely see the green outside the lines, and when I'm going to cut these images out, they will be totally invisible and I can use that image. So a white gel pen is a must have in your stash if you don't already own one. It cleans up all of your images and also highlights perfectly wherever you want to highlight on your project. It really makes the card look totally finished when it's all done. So I'm going over all of the images here until I'm happy with it. And here you can see the essentials number 1. And I will use the circles and the scalloped circles from that set. And I'm also using a coordinating sentiment from the same stamp set. You can see here I cut them out of two-toned colors. So I have a green and a light green, and then a teal and a light teal, and then a yellow and a really pink, a really light yellow cardstock as well. So I have my 3 circles there. So this mechanism you can find in the second essential card kit, and it's just this piece, a moving mechanism that you can put inside of your card and have an element that pops up when the recipient is opening the card. I used liquid glue here and I was a little bit impatient with it, and I will actually end up removing it completely, but you can have it this high up if you like, and you can have tons of room to write your message on the inside of your card. I will end up, you will see here, I will rip it apart and take it away and just move it down a little bit more so it takes more of a center stage inside of my card. This part also comes in the second essential card, and I'm just trying to figure out how far down I want this. So you can see I want it further down, so I ripped it away and I did this all over again. And since I used liquid glue, it wasn't that big of a deal. You can see I didn't mess up my card base. If that happens, you can always save that part and have it for another project all ready to go. But you can see that crease line, I'm trying my best of my ability to line that up. You can see I'm fiddling around with my adhesive here until I'm happy with the placement of everything, using my fingers inside, and then I'm closing it on itself. And now I'm more happy with how everything looks. And you can see that little sort of focal point that we created that will pop up in the center of our card there. So I'm just loving this, and I will have some of the images we colored on the inside here. So my little snowman will go inside. I'm using some foam just to pop it up a little bit more. I love using foam for all of my projects, and this is just making my scene look a little bit more finished. And yeah, I will have another sentiment on the inside just to tie everything in, and it will say Merry Christmas. So cute, I just love it. By the way, this sentiment I think I cut apart just to make it fit a little bit better across my my shape here. So there we go, I really love it, and we can attach it through that arm. Depending on how you want this to swing open, you can glue it to one or the other, but you can't glue it to both of them because otherwise the mechanism will not work. So I will just take that part and just press it down until I'm happy, and I will carefully close my card base, and you can see how cute that is. On the front of my panel I use some teal cardstock, and then I have my white card base, and I will put some liquid adhesive to the back and have like a teal mat on my card front. And of course I will use some more dimensions here just to pop them up. Super cute. In Trinity's shop there is also this beautiful embellishments. There are enamel dots with some sparkling glitter inside. They have been around for quite some time now, but I have them still in my stash, and I decided to go ahead after I'm putting my sentiment down here to go ahead and decorate my whole front of my card with some of those. You can see them here on screen. I don't have a ton left. I need to go and pick up some more before they're gone. They are really nice to have, especially when you're creating with circles like this, just to tie it in and make this a little bit more festive with some more colors from the rainbow. So there you go, we can see how cute this is. And when we're happy with this, I will slow it down so you can see how cute this is. I embellish with some clear sequins on the inside as well, and then this just swings open and you can write a personal message on the inside. So I hope you enjoyed this quick card using the new essential dies from Trinity in collaborations with Sara. And this video is a part of a video hop, so I will leave links down below for the hop list, so you can go check them out, and there are prizes to be won. You can win a certificate to Trinity's shop if you like to leave comments on all of the hops. Until next time, have a great day, and thank you so much for stopping by.